Now that we've decided that a business is the way to go, what I'd like you to do is pretend that I'm a genie and I can give you one wish. But you only get two choices. The first choice is I will give you $1 million. Or the second choice is that I will give you a penny that doubles every day for 31 days. But there's a catch. You have to drive an hour away in order to see a friend of mine named Vendela, and she will magically double that penny and give you 2 pennies. And then you've got to drive all the way back, 1 hour. And then the second day, you take those 2 pennies, drive all the way back to Vendela, put the petrol in the car, the gas in the car, and do what you need, and you drive all the way back. Which would you choose? Well, as a factory worker, $1 million for me, please. Who wants to drive around for pennies? So let's begin. In the first day, that's 1 cent. You drive all the way down and see her. She doubles it, gives you 2 cents. And then the third day, you've got 2 cents, it turns to 4 cents, 4 to 8 cents, then 16 cents, 32 cents, 64, $1.28. And by the 10th day, $5.12. I mean, that's got to be frustrating, all the gas and time. But what happens in the next 10 days? Well, day 11, we have $10.24, then $20.48, then $40.96, $81, $163, $327. And then the 20th day gives you $5,242.88. This is not good. I mean, you should have taken the $1 million, right? Well, a lot of people jump out and they think it's just not working. But those that hang in there, watch what happens. In the 21st day, 5,000 doubles becomes 10,000, then 10,000 becomes 20,000, and all of a sudden you start to say, wait a minute, I cannot wait to get in and put fuel in my car to drive to see Vendela, because I know that when I get there this time, 20,000 is going to be 41,000, 41,000 is going to become 83,000, and this time you're thinking, wait a minute, I know that when I get there this next time, it's going to be a lot more, so I'm going to actually fly in a helicopter, because 83,000 turns to 167, 167,335, 335, 671, and by the 28th day, that becomes $1.3 million. Now, wait a minute. We didn't agree to 28 days, did we? We said 31 days. So 1.3 becomes 2.6 million. That doubles becomes 5.3. And in the final day of our agreement, 5.3 million doubles becomes $10.7 million.
Oh! Oh! Nice shot.
Yeah, it was.
I owe you one.
You bet you do. You see, if you took all 31 days and add them up, that would give you around $20 million. Now who's laughing all the way to the bank? You see, when Albert Einstein was asked this question a while ago, I don't know the exact quote, but he was asked what he thought the most powerful thing on earth was. And I believe the quote was that he said that the 8th wonder of the world was compound interest. So how do we make compound interest work for you? Simple. It's called the show me the money formula. In fact, if you can answer yes to these 3 simple questions, then we can show you how to harness the power of compound interest.